and welcome to another episode of Nichols Know-How. Today we will be unboxing the Flow Hive 2. This is the second generation Flow Hive beehive made from the Flow Hive company who revolutionized the beehive industry. Now you don't have to get as involved with the bees. You just build this hive, put it together, and then the honey just comes out. Just like that. It's magic. So here, first we have the flow. This is what is called here we have the Flow Hive Body Leg Kit. Let's see what's in the box. This package altogether costs, I think, about $800. We'll see what we get for that price. Safety first. Right. All right, open up this box. I don't know how to close this. And in the box, we have the instruction manual. We have a message from the Flow Hive inventors. Congratulations on your purchase. Welcome to the Flow community. Thank you. I'm looking forward to it. This is actually our second Flow Hive that we'll be putting together. The construction video will be another video coming in the future. But let's see what we have in the box. We have a little packaging material. Now what this is a side of the roof. You put these different shingles together. You meet them at the top. And it creates the roof. That was wrong, huh? You have some more planks. Now this will be front of your beehive, shaped like a little house. Nice, and has the Flow emblem and logo engraved in it. Pretty nice. Now it all comes in unfinished wood. This is cedar from the Caucasus Mountains in Seattle. What we'll do, we're gonna stain this wood to help prevent it from wearing out in the weather, in the elements. Now what we have here, this is what goes at the top of your super. The super or the brood? Brood. This is what goes at the top of the brood. Here you place this stopper in there, and the bees will keep it. It will keep the bees in the brood until you're ready to allow them to travel up into the super to place the honey. This is a little vent that will prevent larger size insects from getting through. So you want to keep that. You only want your bees getting through here. Other smaller insects may get in, but you really don't want the bigger insects. Was that for the queen?
Yeah, that one was for the queen. That one was for the insects.
And what it does, the queen is bigger than the other bees, than the worker bees. So it keeps the queen down in the brood, prevents her from getting to the super where she may lay eggs in your flow hive. We don't want eggs in the flow hive. What we have here, this is the catch tray goes at the bottom of the flow hive, at the bottom of your beehive. It'll catch any debris, anything that the bees are discarding out of their hive, because they're a very clean community. They like to keep it clean. They throw out all the trash. It goes down here, so you just slide this out, and you want to clean it out every now and then just to make sure it stays clean. Also beetles. You'll see beetles down here. This tray, this vent, prevents them from getting up into the hive. So you want to make sure and clean out the beetles, because they will wreak havoc on your hive. Now here we have the frames. You use these to make the frames, which the bees will build their combs, their wax combs in. What's in this envelope? This is the brackets that you use. You put this, you attach this to your flow hive after it's already constructed. You place the countertop on top, and then you sit your jar on, and this is where you place your container where you want to extract your honey. But use these after the hive is constructed. See what we have here. These go on the feet of the hive, just to make it look a little more pretty. At the bottom of the hive, they just have these screw stands, pedestals. You place these on it, and it's a little decorative. So that will be one of the last pieces to go. Here is a front frame of the hive, a front wall piece, and inside, you want to come get in the box? I'm gonna shoot in the box. And inside we have, these are the walls that will be used to make the hive. You will construct it. They come with pre-drilled screw holes, and they're also numbered. They're also numbered so that you know exactly where to screw, what piece goes where. It's very, very simple to put together. Here we have the feet, the brackets that, not the brackets, the base feet that you screw on. And some more of the framing of the hive. And there you have it, everything that is contained in the construction of your flow hive, except for the super, the full frames. It's a 6-frame super. We will unbox and open that in the future. We will open that when we construct the hive and put it together, and we're ready to put the frame on top, put the flow frames on top. So stay tuned for our next video, where we will construct this beehive piece by piece, step by step, for you to see how easy it is to get your beehive going. Get your own honey. How sweet it is. Thank you. Tune in next week.